In the rolling hills of Western Uganda, under the spiritual umbrella of West Ankole Diocese, lies Kyeizooba Archdeaconry, a place where faith meets transformation. Over the years, this Archdeaconry has not only nurtured souls, but has also become a beacon of development, particularly in the agricultural sector. Today we sit down with Venerable Laban Mwijuka, the Archdeacon of Kyeizooba Archdeaconry, to reflect on the progress this religious institution has made over time. He proudly shares some of the significant developments and projects that have taken shape within the community.
Christians have built good residential houses for the servants of God, curates, vicars, lay readers. Starting from Kyeizooba Archdeaconry, you can see how nice looking our Archdeaconry residential house looks. In those parishes, those sub-parishes, each has a nice looking residential house for the servant of God. We are not behind in projects. For example, some churches have started rearing of animals. They have farms. Some have started coffee growing. For example, Kyeizooba Parish itself, Nyabutobo Parish.
According to Venerable Mwijuka, all these initiatives aim to boost the holistic development of the community. While the church traditionally relies on the tithes and offerings from Christians, these development projects serve as an alternative source for support to sustain the ministry and its service to the people.
These projects are here to boost the income of our parishes, because sustainability still depends on Christian offerings or offertories. But we have to set up projects that will help each parish church or each sub-parish church to sustain itself in case we have some avoidable circumstances. For example, during the era of COVID-19, many servants of God faced a lot of challenges, and the church itself. So we came out with a proposal that we should set up projects at every parish church to help it grow.
However, beneath the success stories lies a growing concern: the rise of mushrooming churches. Venerable Mwijuka expresses alarm over the increasing number of alternative faith establishments, which, according to him, promise quick wealth and instant miracles, drawing many Christians away from the Anglican Church. This quest for instant riches, he warns, is slowly eating away the spiritual fabric of the church.
Every Christian would like to be rich today, and that's impossible. That is why they are going to witchcraft, because they want to get riches. You hear them in these mushrooming churches, because there are some prophets who want to tell them that you'll be rich in a shortest time. So the love of riches in a shortest time.
Adding to the dilemma is the tendency among believers to place their trust in charismatic individuals, men and women who claim to be divine messengers rather than in God. This misplaced faith, Venerable Mwijuka says, is one of the biggest spiritual challenges the church faces today.
You pray for someone, he or she asks you, what is your prophecy on me? What is the cause of this discomfort in my family? Why is the husband quarreling every night? I mean, they are no longer focused in the Word of God, but they are focused in the servants or people themselves. They have shifted the focus from praying and waiting for what God can do, but they now want to get things very fast. That's a very big challenge.
Yet even amidst these trials, the Archdeacon remains hopeful. Drawing from hymn number 147, Jesus is the foundation of his church, Venerable Aban Mwijuka affirms that the true church of Christ stands unshaken. He believes that with continued prayer, guidance and development-focused ministry, the light of faith in Kyeizooba will continue to shine brighter.
Many challenges face the church, but we know that Christ is our founder of the church. And therefore we are not worried at all, because we know the church has to continue. Omcheshongoro echigana makumiana na mshanju. Ntijera ngu Yesu niwe musingi ogw'ekkanisa ye, kandi aija kuguma naagyombeka. N'obu turikuraba omu bigumire, konka nitumanya ngu Yesu ariho kandi aija kuguma naaturabyamu.
Kyeizooba Archdeaconry stands as a testament to what the church can achieve not just within the walls of sanctuaries, but in the everyday lives of people. And while the challenges are many, so is the resolve to overcome them with faith as the foundation. This is COU Exclusive.